Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to know if someone has added you on WhatsApp. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more helpful tips. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp and check your chat list for an existing conversation with the person. If you've messaged them before, there's a good chance they've added you already. Step 2. If you already have a chat with them, it likely means they have added you as a contact. WhatsApp generally only shows conversations with people who have saved your number or those you've chatted with before. Step 3. Next, take a look at their profile picture and status updates. If you can see these, they've probably added you. Profile pictures and status updates are only visible to contacts saved in their phone. Step 4. Lastly, if you can view their profile picture and status updates, it's a strong indicator that they have indeed saved your number on their WhatsApp account. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.